In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT with pictures, 2026 full guide. If you've ever spent hours digitizing data sheets, transcribing messy handwriting, or trying to explain a layout bug with long descriptions, you know how exhausting that can be. The good news is you no longer have to fight with words to describe what you're seeing. With the latest vision models and multimodal tools, you can securely upload images, configure vision settings, extract structured text, and even transform flat graphics into editable designs, all inside one workspace. Open your browser and let's get started. First, create a secure workflow. Avoid dropping personal photos or sensitive company graphics into a public chat. Instead, work inside a dedicated project container. In your dashboard, open your projects folder, then look at the prompt entry area and click the paperclip or upload icon. Choose your image files, PNG illustrations, JPEG photos, or multi-page PDF scans, and add them to your project so they're locked into context and governed by your project's privacy settings. With your visuals in place, let's extract text and data automatically. Select an uploaded asset, switch your model toggle to thinking mode for deeper spatial reasoning, and paste a precise instruction like act as an elite data localization engineer and document analyst. Scan the attached data asset. Extract all text strings, numerical metrics, and hidden metadata variables. Organize the final data blocks into a clean markdown table format while entirely eliminating generic conversational fluff or robotic commentary. Run it and review the structured output. You've just turned a picture into clean, usable data without manual typing. Next, use a show don't tell design critique. Upload a snapshot of your app or web layout and guide the analysis with act as a principal user experience director and visual designer. Review the color contrast ratios, font typography hierarchies, and layout alignment flags shown in this uploaded design file. Highlight any spacing inconsistencies or layout errors, and output your optimization critique into a clean markdown bulleted matrix. This anchors the review to objective rules instead of guesswork. Now unlock image to design conversion. If you have a flat poster or banner, click the companion app icon beside the prompt and run. Identify the flat layout parameters of this attached marketing graphic file. Run the image to design conversion script to break this image down into separated, customizable asset elements, allowing us to modify the background fills and text fonts directly inside our Canvas layout workspaces. Before saving, audit the results. When the previews appear, open the thumbnails, inspect bounding boxes, and layer positions. Then confirm with act as an elite quality control editor. Verify that all elements conform to clean alignment parameters and have no overlapping regions. Once verified, execute the transaction script to save these changes permanently to my account directory. Hand off the tedious parts to multimodal tools so you can focus on ideas and execution. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.